This video, I'll show you how to replace your switches on your Epomaker keyboard, and it works on any Epomaker keyboard. And if you have a keyboard like the Epomaker X Holla F75 Max keyboard, you can also change the switches. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the switches on this keyboard. Before I dive in and show you how to do it, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel to help me hit 30,000 subscribers. So basically guys, as you can see, I have switches right here, and I'm going to be replacing the current switch on this keyboard with the switches you can actually see in this nylon. In order for you to remove the switches on your Epomaker keyboard, you need to grab your keycap puller, which is inside the package of your keyboard. On the keycap puller, you will notice two ends on the keyboard, which is this head and this head. If you wish to remove the keycap, you just have to open this other hand like this, then you put it on your keyboard and it's going to key into the cap, then you pull it out. As you can see, I've been able to remove the key for this Epomaker keyboard. Let's do it again. So you just hold it like this, you open it, then you put it there, so it's going to key in, then you just pull it out like so. As you can see, I've been able to remove two key. Now in order for you to remove the switch, you have to hold it like this. Make sure it's like this, top and the bottom. Make sure it keys into the keyboard, then you pull it out just like so. As you can see, I've removed one switch from the keyboard. In order for you to remove the switch, what you need to do is to make sure you hold it like this. As you can see, hold it like this, then just put it down. Make sure it hooks the switch, then you pull it out. As you can see, this is the switch. So now I'm going to grab the new switch, which is right here. Then what I'm going to do is to put it in to the keyboard. You can do this with your hand without using the keycap puller. Then I'll grab the switch again, then I'll put it into the keyboard like so. So as you can see, I've been able to change the, as you can see, I've been able to remove and replace the switches on this keyboard. So if you want to change the switch on the keyboard, if you have a different color, you can make use of a different color. Once it's time for you to put in the key, just grab the key and put it the right way on the switch, and you're going to hear a little noise that shows that it has clicked on the keyboard. Then you do it again for the other switch, then you do it, then you're going to hear a little noise, and it's clicked on the keyboard. Now as you can see, it's done. Now you can make use of your Epomaker keyboard. So this is how to go ahead and switch keys on your Epomaker keyboard.